Hi, Mr. Barry. How much is Chanel? I mean the Chanel stuff.
My name is
So I currently don't have water, and my friend is coming over for sleepover.
Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed took delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open.
My name is
We don't have water, and my friend is coming over for sleepover. I don't have water for flushing. I don't have water for bathing. I don't have water except drinking water. So, and it has not been raining for the past how many days? And if you know, you know. Where I live, it's located in the mountain. Like I keep saying this thing all the time. So I want to go to the next compound and steal water because they have a well. There's a place we usually buy water, but for some days now, I think their sumo is undergoing some maintenance or whatever. So it's about to be an adventure because your girl is about to climb fair.
I've been thinking about myself today. How have I changed? How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking.
My lap is shaking. Like I'm having severe headache right now. Severe one.
But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
Turn around. Show you talking.
Cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. I don't care if I got much at all. Here this small town. Cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. I've been thinking about myself today. How I changed. How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree. Pretty weird that day when we started.
Take a look at my hair.
I'm sorry, I'm so shallow, but I'm still looking forward to
Life is so private that nobody knew that I spent all my money at the hair salon. Now I'm walking home and people are looking at me like, oh my god, you're so beautiful. And I'm like, thank you. So I saw my neighbor and he's like, Clara, what's up? Hop in, let me drop you off. So I got a free ride. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.